Hello and welcome to my solution for Challenge 5, Chapter 3, Task Management. I hope you were able to complete that challenge. As with all of these challenges, your code will likely be quite different from mine, and that's fine. I would love to see your solution, so please feel free to email me your code if you wish. You can use the provided link to copy my code for ch5_tasklist.svelte data chapter 3 and add ch5_tasklist to the exercise list.json file. First, a quick recap on the objective. We had to create a task management component with a set of current and completed tasks side by side, and clicking a current task moves it to completed, updates counters, and clicking a completed task moves it back. We need to allow a task to be added. Okay, let's look at the code. In the script, we declare state for tasks, current tasks array, completed tasks, new task. Next, reactives. Use $derive to set up counters for current and completed tasks. Next, functions. We need a function for adding a task, ensuring input is not empty before pushing it to current tasks array. Note, as mentioned before, with SvelteKit 5 we can now use push instead of assignment spread operator, as arrays are now reactive mutable arrays. Next, function markAsCompleted filters out the selected task and pushes that task to completed tasks array. And finally, function unmarkAsCompleted task filters out the selected task and pushes that task to current tasks array. That's the script. In the markup, as we saw in the challenge video, we need an input to add task button and two lists. So, first, the input field and button for adding new task, onClick calls the add task function. Next, we have a display of current tasks. With the counter task count, that's the derived rune for current tasks, so it's always current. Any change to the tasks array immediately updates this counter. Then we have an each loop to display all tasks and use the font awesome icon with an inline onClick function, which calls the markAsCompleted function. Next, we have a similar list for the completed tasks, using the derived counter completed task count and looping through the completed tasks array to display those tasks. And that's the markup. Visually, it appears that tasks move between the two lists, but as you can see behind the scenes, all we are doing is filtering and pushing from one array to the other, and because arrays are now reactive, Svelte will automatically re-render any changes. So, the only reactivity we had to take care of here are the two counters. And that's Challenge 5. Let's take a quick look at the key concepts covered in this challenge. Reactivity: utilize SvelteKit 5's $state and $derive to manage state changes and reactivity within components. Reactive arrays: update using push. Event handling: implement event handlers, onClick, onKeyDown, to enable users to interact with the task lists dynamically. User experience: ensure a seamless user experience by dynamically updating the UI in response to task completion and task removal actions. Okay, and that's a wrap on Challenge 5. I hope you enjoyed that and are ready for some more challenges. Please comment and like the video, and more importantly subscribe so that I can continue to provide interesting exercises and challenges on different aspects of SvelteKit 5 Runes mode. See you in the next video for Challenge 6.